the digital aspect of products, the idea of networked products, is so vital for designers to enter into.
Going forward.
Yeah.
It's the future. And the future is now.
We'll start. The lateral thinking will become visible.
Yeah. Where does it live in the house?
She was not really
Think about that because it needs to have some relation to context.
And then I press the lock button, but this lock button is actually the Bluetooth button. This idea of the analog and the digital, which suddenly appears, it's great.
Yeah.
It's great. If the designer is able to get to the essence of what the object is, so you've got a situation and you keep that as its relevance, then everything becomes so much easier. That's what we're finding. Describe it beautifully.
そこの形どうやって与えるかやね。もう本当それ自体は何もインフォメーションいらないと思う。そのオンオフとかの機能でとかっていうことはうまくデザインできるんちゃう。
So we asked the students to find essence in 3 ways. The first was out of direct experience, observation. That was short, quick, and fun. And then the second way was to understand essence through context by looking at maybe an unfamiliar situation, but abstractly, and understanding behavior maybe in that situation. But understanding how context informs the object. And then the third way is by understanding essence through connectivity. So what am I in relation to a network of other things?
And then the final exercise in this example is a combination of a product type that's networked, that's part of IoT, but they have to merge that with the context, the feeling of what the essence is of the object in relation to where it will be. So it's bringing everything together, and the last task is very, very difficult. So we could never start there. We have to start gradually in a kind of very analog way, and then gradually pull in the kind of digital.
Can I also see how many yards it is? Like if I scroll?
これをスクロールしたら45センチが何ヤードなのかっていうのが出てくるんです。
Yeah,
Yes,
good. Nice translation. Nice translation to the digital. And that you've reduced the need, once I've used this, I've reduced the need to now go to another product to look up what the translation might be. So you've simplified on both levels, both in the digital area and in the form of the product. I think that's quite nice relationship.
That is giving
really nice.
more
Yeah.
potential.
Yeah.
And the product, the physical thing, everything becomes redundant except the physical action of doing
this.
something. So it's
Very
nice. I like it.
Very nice.
There is a tendency constantly to add things, to make things more complex, to lose their essence and meaning. And so the designer is a critical component. And the only way that they can enter into that world is they need to have an understanding of it and a point of view.